Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change your business name in Google My Business page. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. With that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top here, click on this plus sign to create a new tab. So I'm going to click on it. The next thing you need to do is to come to the search or type URL right here. What you need to do is to simply type in google.com, and click on search. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here, Google Apps. So it's going to take you to all Google Apps. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google My Business icon. So directly it will take you to your Google My Business profile, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Edit Profile. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on Business Name. Then right here, make sure you click on here and cancel what you have right here. The next thing you need to do is to type in the new name right here. Once you're done, simply click on Save, and with that, Google My Business profile is going to be reviewed and the name will be changed to the correct one you enter right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.